And today we're going to be checking out this dash cam, but this isn't just any dash cam. This is a 360-degree dash cam. That's right, it has 4 separate cameras, to the back, to the front, and to each side. But on top of that, it comes with a CPL filter, which you can screw onto the main camera, which is going to eliminate the glare from glass, giving you a better view. Let's go ahead, unbox this thing, then we're going to go outside and install it and give it a test. All right, so here it is right here. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up. It does work with Bluetooth. It does work with Wi-Fi. You can connect it to your phone. It's got 24-hour parking monitor. It has loop recording, all kinds of cool features that we're going to get into. Let's go ahead. We're going to check out the mystery box first. What's in the mystery box? It's like a ton of stuff. Small accessories, screwdrivers, trim tool. We'll see what all's in there in a moment. You have a couple mounting options. You have a GPS module because this does work off GPS. It will display your speed and location if you wanted to. Here's your 12-volt power supply. And this is your backup camera, your rear-facing camera. Check this guy out. Very cool. Now we're going to get to the business end. This is a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be for being 4 cameras. Let's see what it looks like. And check this out right here. Very cool. This is your front-facing camera. Here's your side-facing cameras. If you notice, they do have the infrared LEDs all the way around, so it has what they call their super night vision. And these things are fully adjustable. You can point them to the front. You can point them straight out the sides, or if you're an Uber driver or taxi driver, you can have it pointed back at the guest as well. Very cool. It does come with a transfer card. You're going to get a 64 gigabyte Lexar memory card. Very cool. That's a good brand. Usually you get some no brand unmarked memory card, so very nice. You have your reset button, your power button. This is where you hook up your rear camera, and this is where you hook up your GPS module. All your push button controls are on the bottom, and you do have a screen as well, so very nice. Let's see what all accessories we get. It says a free gift. I'm curious as to what the free gift is. Inside the free gift bag, you get some little wire mounts with little sticky tabs. You get a dash mount or windshield mount that's got sticky tape on it. You get a cleaning cloth for cleaning your screen. And inside here, I'm going to assume this is the free gift. This is the CPL filter. Now, if you don't know what a CPL filter is, it's basically a filter that will eliminate glare and reflections. And that's really good to have in a dash cam. Go ahead, we're going to open this up and install this real fast. This is going to go on the main camera, and there is a little protective film over the lens itself that you're going to have to remove. And the way you install this is you're going to remove the protective film on the front-facing camera, and while it's still nice and fresh, before dirt and lint and dust gets on it, you just slide the filter on. Then you're going to take the little tool here and just tighten down the little set screw. Make sure it doesn't pop off. The polarizing filters, they swivel, so once you have it installed in your car, you can pull it up on your phone or look on the screen, and if you see a glare, you just slowly twist this lens until the glare goes away, and then you'll be done. It's just that easy. So I think what we need to do is, let's go ahead. I'm going to go install this outside, and we're going to give it a test and go over some of the specs and some of the details. All right, so we're going to take a quick cruise around the block just to see. I'm hoping it's recording internal audio, but as you can tell, you have a view from the front, from the back, from the right side, from the left side. The right and left side cameras are fully adjustable. You're getting a very high resolution image. All right, so here we have it roughly installed in my truck. I still need to use the little clips to attach everything to the windshield and get it all pushed up more permanently into the interior. But you can see this is what it's going to look like when it's mounted. You have your time and your date, you have your speed, you have the adjustable cameras on each side. That's 2 of your cameras. And then you have one camera for the back and one camera for the front, and you can see that you can display all 4 cameras at once. You have options like voice control. You can do playback. You have a dashboard. Let's see what the dashboard looks like. Just like that, and it gives you a speedometer and tells you your speed, and can even tell you if you're in the lane or not, which is a very cool feature. If you look at the voice controls, you can see here it's going to give you a display of all the different controls, like video start. You can lock video. You can turn on the screen, turn off the screen. Just a whole bunch of different options. You can actually play back video as well. And then you can choose between front, right, left, or rear. And now if I want to play from the rear camera, I would just hit OK. And you can see that we're playing from the rear camera. How cool is that? I'm going to bring the camera down because the device does come with an app. I want you to see that real fast. You can see that you can stop recording, start recording. You can take photos if you want to. This is where you manage your recorder's storage. It does use the TS Cam app. And then you can have your recording settings right here where you can choose your Wi-Fi password, how long you want it to record at a time. You can format your SD card, and it gives you the camera version. But it's a really simple app. You can go to full screen as well if you want to use it in landscape mode. And overall, a very nice little dash cam. So if you're looking for a dash cam that's going to provide you 360-degree of coverage with super night vision, then this could be the right one for you. You've got the 2 side cameras that have infrared. If you were driving people around, say if you worked for Uber or Lyft or you're a taxi driver, this is going to keep the cabin lit up even when the lights are off, so you can see everything that happens in the vehicle. Dash cams are great to have because if you get in an accident, it's not he said, she said. You have video footage of exactly what happened. Say if you falsely got pulled over and was accused of speeding, if you had this footage, you could actually take that to court and get that ticket reversed or show the officer, and he might not even give you the ticket to begin with. So dash cams are very useful. They protect you, they protect others, and this one does it very well. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.